Hello, my name is Megan Mayhew, and welcome to part 1 of our 3-part sewing machine badging series here at Central Rappahannock Regional Library's IdeaSpace. By the end of these videos, you will have completed Level 1 training on the Janome My Style 100, and afterwards you will be able to come into IdeaSpace, complete Level 2, and earn your badge. A sewing machine works by passing 2 separate threads, one from the top and one from the bottom, through the material to link together using patterns called stitches. The Janome My Style is a versatile machine that has 15 built-in stitches, including one 4-step buttonhole stitch. If you need to set up the machine, insert the plug into machine socket, and then plug the power supply into the wall socket. Turn the machine on by pressing the power button on the right side of the machine. The machine is on when you see a light come on over the needle. Place the foot pedal on the floor and adjust it so you can comfortably reach it and control the speed of the machine. The foot pedal works like a gas pedal in a car. Press down to go faster, lift up to slow down or stop. In addition to a sewing machine, the library provides additional sewing materials, such as straight pins, a seam ripper, tape measure, fabric scissors, and a rainbow of threads. Now that your machine is set up, we will wind the bobbin. The bobbin is a small wheel that holds the thread feeding up from under the sewing machine. This bottom thread combines with the thread from the top spool to form a stitch. Without a bobbin, the sewing machine cannot sew. To begin, we will load a spool of thread on the spool pin located on top of the machine. Make sure the thread is winding underneath the spool towards the front of the machine. Add the spool holder to secure the spool. Next, gently guide the thread from the spool to the thread guide, leading it to the bobbin winder thread guide, following the diagram on the top of the machine. Lastly, we're going to take the thread from the spool and thread it through the bobbin. Guide the thread around the bobbin clockwise and pass the thread through the hole in the top of the bobbin from the inside to the outside. Then, put the bobbin on the bobbin winder spindle, push the spindle to the right, and turn the machine on. Start the machine again and wind the bobbin until the machine stops automatically. Push the bobbin winder spindle to the left, cut the thread, and remove the bobbin from the spindle. Always turn the machine off when you are adjusting the presser foot or needle, loading the bobbin, or threading the machine. Place the bobbin with thread counterclockwise and loose thread facing you. The bobbin should resemble a P when it is in the correct position. Open the bobbin holder by pushing the hook cover plate switch to the right. Guide the thread into the front notch on the front side of the holder. Draw the thread to the left and slide it between the tension spring blades, pulling until the thread slips into the side notch. Pull a few inches of thread out and reattach the hook cover plate. Thanks for tuning in to part 1 of our 3-part series. Next, you'll learn how to thread the machine and get ready to sew.